Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh Baji. I am Zayan. Today's date is 28th June 2026. So today I am going to read lesson number 1, Transport in Plants of subject Biology. Let's read. Transport in plants. You have already learned that plants can prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. For this process, plants require carbon dioxide and water the leaves to take in. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the water along with minerals is absorbed from the soil through the roots. It is then transported upwards to the leaves of the plant. The food prepared by the leaves is transported to all parts of the plant, including roots. Transportation in plants is the process in which substances absorbed or synthesized in one part of the plant are moved to other parts of the plant. Transpiration of water and food in plants is carried out by a conducting system consisting of two main tissues, xylem and phloem. Through other they form the vascular bundle. The conducting or transporting tissue, xylem. This tissue from a tubular passage to transport water and mineral salts from the roots to the aerial parts of the plant. The xylem tissue consists of four types of cells: xylem trichodes, xylem vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma. Trichodes are elongated dead cells with tapering ends. Their walls have thickings with lateral pores. They provide mechanical strength and support to plant in addition to conducting water upwards. Vessels. They are tube-like structures open at both ends. They are placed one above the other to form long channels just like trichodes. They provide mechanical support to the plant and conduct water upwards. Xylem of wood parenchyma. They are small, thick, violet living cells. They store food and also help to conduct water and mineral salts. Xylem parenchyma or wood fibers. They are thick-walled, long, narrow cells with tapering ends. They provide only mechanical support to the plants. Function of xylem. The main function of xylem is transportation of water and minerals or from the soil, from the roots to the aerial parts of the plant. Trichodes, vessels, and xylem sclerenchyma provide mechanical strength and support to the plant. The rings seen in the trunk of an old tree which has been cut transversely are the xylem rings. The age of a tree can be determined by counting the number of rings. Phloem. It transports food manufactured by leaf to various parts of the plant. It is a part of vascular bundle and along with xylem phloem also extends along the length of the plant body in the root stem, branches and leaves. The phloem tissue consists of the following four types of cells: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Sieve tubes are formed of cylindrical cells that are devoid of nucleus. They are found arranged in vertical rows, placed end to end. Their end walls are perforated and are called sieve plates. Through these sieve plates, food material passes from cell to cell. Thus, sieve tubes play an important role in transporting food. Companion cells. Cells are living thin, walled, and elongated cells found attached to the sides of the sieve tubes. These cells help the sieve tubes in the conditions of food. Phloem parenchyma is formed of thin-walled parenchymatous cells. These cells store food. Phloem fibers added sclerenchyma fibers formed of elongated cells. These fibers provide mechanical strength and support to the plant. Function of phloem. Phloem transport of food prepared by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Phloem parenchyma helps in the storage of food. The phloem fibers provides mechanical support to the plant. Kind of conducting tissue in plants. Conducting tissue: xylem A, xylem tissue; B, xylem tissue. Phloem tissue: xylem tricard, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. Sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. Difference between xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem conducts water and mineral salts from the roots to the aerial parts of the plant, made up of trichots, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Conducting cells, vessels, and trichots are dead, conducting and unidirectional, uni, unidirectional. Conducting does not require any expenditure of energy. Phloem translocates food from the leaves to the storage organs and growing parts of the plant, made up of sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Conducting cells, sieve tubes are living condition. Bidirectional conduction requires expenditure of energy. The root along all can absorb water. Thank you.